going to the Harry Potter. Please respect the spell limits. The local look at the roads, it's like snowing. Ini Batavia? Batavia.
Sì, roller coaster.
Oh. Look at this building.
Must think us most ungracious hosts.
Good. And maybe they'll... If Dumbledore think it right and proper that they be here, then they are more than welcome. Perhaps one of our younger guests will wait for an hour, one more, and find themselves summoned to our office.
Just think, the next great witch or wizard could be walking through this room right now, unaware of their hidden talents, just like Harry
Potter! The boy who lived. The boy who survived by the seat of his pants isn't one like him. But you're wrong, Salazar. It was love that saved young Harry, not luck. Something to...
What?
Fear of a name only increases the fear of the thing he sees. Voldemort is only as powerful as what is easy. The choice we make is not. Remember, follow your passion. It will, in my experience, rarely lead you wrong. Now, if you will, please proceed in defense against the Archduke.
Personally, I recommend Matilda Badger's Hogwarts history.
No one else has read that book.
For your information, this happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive one on Hogwarts.
Idea to get out of mine.
Have you got a better idea, Ron?
Keep your voices down. Everything's going to be fine, but let's make this quick. Excuse me, we reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which, it should be pointed out, is rather fascinating. One book I highly recommend.
A treat today. Harry Potter is going to show you how the game of Quidditch was meant to be played. Ah, Gryffindor!
Free. Yeah.
Over here! All right, say objection. On three. 1, 2, 3. Hang on tight! Ron and Harry will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way. We'll meet you outside. Sorry about that. This can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! Come see the dragon, have you?
Right, come on. We'll nip over to the Quidditch pitch. Look out!
We have your attention, please. Experiencing a brief delay in our operation. Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Vehicles may resume motion at any time. We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your cooperation.
Follow my voice! The forest isn't safe! Hold on tight! Aurelia Examen! Hurry on to the Quidditch pit! And watch out for the Walking Willow! Look out! And the match is tied. 20 points each for Gryffindor and Slytherin.
Where have you been? Vic, follow me! Showing off for your muggle admirers, Potter.
Slytherin takes the lead.
Dementors! This one! Hang on! Leave them alone! Get away from them! Expecto Patronum! Stay close and follow me! It's caving in! Watch out! Let's get out, quick! We made it! To the Great Hall! Thanks, everybody. You were brilliant.
You've shown great bravery. Feel free to return to Hogwarts any time. Now, go then. to retrieve your stowed belongings, lest you want them confiscated by Mr. Filch.
It's the Harry Potter song, and one of the best. If you come to Universal Studio at LA, you must try this one, the best one. It's really, really fantastic. I'll show you the clip. So now we look for food for lunch. So near the watch, you can use the watch to play at several areas.